Hi, this is Kenny Ingram. I'm here with some valuable information for you. Every now and then in the internet industry, something comes along that has massive momentum. The people realize it and they jump on like gangbusters. Especially when the system supplies you with all the tools that you need, the perfect tools that all you need to do is plug in. And with this system that I'm going to introduce to you, there are thousands of people signing up daily. This came across my desk and I realized the momentum behind it and how easy it is to create an income. So I want to share this with you. Go ahead and watch the video, and I'm going to show you how to get in with our team, which is growing phenomenally daily. And that will enable you to grow yourself from the efforts of our team. We invite you to reap the benefits of our team and take advantage of all the tools that we're using. So go ahead and continue to watch this video. All right, this company is called Livegood, and timing is everything. You want to get in on the right time because this company has just gone international December. They've been around since August, September, but they didn't have the compensation plan intact. But now they have a phenomenal program that you can take an advantage of and get placed in at the top of the matrix and make a phenomenal income. I plan on using this. I've introduced this to a select group of people that I am dealing with, and we are killing it. We're actually going to do this long term and create an income that is passive and residual. So with Livegood, you need to take action and get in now. Get in at the right time while the timing is right. Part of the reason why this is so amazing is because of the products that they have. Once you sign up, you can get access to the back office as a free member and go through and look at all the products that they have. But these are products that are being sold 75 to 90% reduction from normal products. Then also in the back office, you get access to pre-made sites. The corporate site is a site that will be your back office. Then they have a retail site where you can actually use this site to sell the products retail and make the benefit of the difference between the retail price and the member price. And then they have landing pages and other material that you can use. Then with the pay plan, you actually have 6 levels of pay. Weekly fast start commission. Every time that you refer somebody into Livegood and they become a member, they pay the affiliate one-time fee of $49.95 and $9.95 per month. Being able to get access to the member prices, you have to keep up the $9.95 per month. But the difference between retail and members, it makes up for that. And then the next level of payment is matrixtions. And the power behind this is that even if you don't promote anybody, the spillover from the people above you will actually go into your matrix because they won't have anywhere else in their matrix to put them. So they will be putting them under your matrix. And you can see the different levels of bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond and the percentages. So if you do nothing and you get 12 people under your unranked membership, you can make a total of $2,047.50 without even promoting anybody. That's pretty good right there. And they have the matching bonuses. So not only will you be making the matrix commissions, but you'll be getting matching bonuses. So what that means is everybody that signs up in the matrix will be given bonuses to you personally. And this here shows the percentage. And then the next way to make money is through retail commissions. Earlier we mentioned about the difference between member prices and retail prices. If, for example, you decide to reach out to somebody that wants these products, you can sell them at the retail cost and make the difference, 50% of the difference between the retail cost and the member cost. And then on that same respect, you get influencer bonuses, whereas if you're doing $2,500 in retail sales per month, you get an additional 10% added to that. And then 5,000 is an additional 20%, up to 50,000, which is an additional 50%. And then you have the diamond bonus pool. This is awesome. And this is where we're going to get our team to so that you can benefit as well. The diamond bonus pool pays you 2% split between all the qualified diamond ranked members. And it also gives you 2% of the total sales of all membership and product sales. So we invite you to take the tour. We invite you to get enrolled and lock in your position. Every Thursday is the cutoff for people that have enrolled as free members and can upgrade to the member price, to the member position. Great. So now let's talk about the bonuses. Once you sign up under our team, we'll be giving you access to a complete marketing system that you'll be able to use to market your Livegood business with. You'll be given capture pages and landing welcome pages to use that all you need to do is plug in your information. This here is an example of a capture page that you'll use to capture people's name and email. They'll be brought to this welcome page, which actually will be populated with all of your information. So when they go through it, everything will be input with your specific information. And the way this is possible is through a marketing plan that you'll have access to. This marketing plan has all the capture pages and all the landing pages that you'll need to just plug in your information with and use to promote your Livegood business with. They also have traffic programs that you can join up and use to advertise your Livegood business or other businesses with. And then when other people sign up under you, under Livegood, and get access to this membership, they'll put their information in these traffic programs, and you'll be making a commission from them signing up. So this is an additional income that you'll be making with our Livegood system. And you'll get access to all this through the emails that we send you. So make sure that you verify your email address. Then another bonus we're giving you is how to make money online using 100% free tools. This system is actually the ability to create your own landing pages however you want for other businesses, or you can have a free autoresponder, a free tracking system. You can have a rotator where you can rotate your ads. Plus you can have a platform where you can actually create memberships. You can actually create your own courses and advertise those courses. Here's an example of what we did. We actually created an online course for our members to have access to. You can actually have access to tools and links and services that we use for free to create an income online. Let me give you an example of some of the material that you'll see inside there. Okay, so we're in the back office, and we actually have free traffic sites you can start with. We introduce low-cost advertising sites that you can do for as low as $5 and $10. We give you solo ads that we use and have had much success with. We give you the ability to advertise on social media platforms. We give you the ability for offline tactics that you can use. And then we give you free tools to create your website with. If you want to promote other things on a domain or a website that you want to use, this will give you access on how to do that. And then we give you the best online tools for promoting that business. We also have the latest and greatest ability to use artificial intelligence. We are using artificial intelligence in creating books, ebooks, courses, and other stuff that artificial intelligence is making possible to us. We keep this updated all the time so our members can log in and get the latest information that we're doing. So this is an awesome bonus that we're offering to you, and we know that you'll love taking advantage of this. And then we'll be giving you access to our bonuses page. This is our bonus page where we actually give you the ability to log in and get all the bonuses that we're offering. We're actually adding to this all the time as well. So that way we can make it easier for you to be successful. So click on our link and reserve your position. And then once you get access to the back office, make sure you upgrade before Thursday in order to get access to the matrix, and you'll be on our team. Thursday is the cutoff to be placed in the matrix and on our team, and we'll be here to help you along the way. We'll be giving you valuable stuff to make your life easier, to bring in a passive income that will build and grow for the days and the years to come. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks.